Hi everyone! I just got myself a brand new building block blind box. It's the Sanrio family floral fantasy series, and the design is absolutely gorgeous. There are 6 different styles in this collection, and honestly, I love them all. So, yes, I went all in. I'm about to open one at random guess. Which one I'll get? Inside the package, there are 6 blind boxes. What's really special is that these blocks are designed to look like perfume bottles. As both a Sanrio fan and a perfume lover, I'm totally obsessed already. Okay, let's open it. Wow, I got Cinnamoroll's Daydream. How cute is this? The instruction sheet isn't too thick, so let's get right into building. These are micro blocks. The pieces are small, but the difficulty level isn't too high. The overall design adopts the signature color of cinnamon, blue and white, combined with soft cotton flowers, gentle and sweet, just like Cinnamon himself. Now, let's put together our little main character. Give him his tiny wings and place him on the cotton flower done. There's also a card and a perfume-style background plate inside. Once everything is assembled, we add the gem-shaped light cover. Pull out the cord to activate the battery, and the lamp lights up. So pretty! Finally, attach Sina's special label, and the perfume block is complete. Small but full of delicate details. Such a lovely surprise. I'm already excited to see which one I'll draw next time. But here's my question for you. What kind of fragrance do you think this Cinnamoroll perfume would smell like? Drop your answers in the comments below.